we will start multiplication. Okay, from this page we will start. Okay, so here first multiplication. These are very basic multiplications they have given as your example. Now, for to learn this chapter, you need to memorize the tables up to 20. You need to memorize the tables up to 20. So today is your homework is 11 to 20 tables. You need to write it down. Okay. Today again I'm repeating. Today is your homework is 11 to 20. All the tables you need to write. So this is three groups, 3 into 2, 6. Like this way you need to do. Exercise A and B, all of you do now. Afterwards, we will start. I will show you the answers. Okay. Please show me a thumbs up, all of you. Four groups in each book. In each group, two books are there. Okay. For three groups, four each value is there. So two groups, 5 value is there. 10. And here 5 groups are there. Twenty. So showing you the next answers, next page answer. Okay, wait for a while. Here you can see in the book in the left side page, multiplication table up to 10 is there. So multiplication table, how you will memorize? Every day you need to learn the multiplications. Okay, every day you need to learn the multiplications. Okay. So 40, 42, 20, 72, 10, 35, 30. From the multiplication table, we need to write this answer. Okay. Every day in the morning, before while you are doing your class, before that you need to learn the multiplication tables. Please copy it first. So I have to. My voice is today totally choked. Okay, so I am really facing difficulty to talk. I will show you the answers, but you please try it out. Next page come. If it is done, exercise B entirely you copy down. Means entirely you do by yourself. I will show the answers. I am going to give you the attendance. Okay. I am giving you attendance, so please don't raise your hand. Okay. Please don't raise your hand, Ahornish. Don't try it. Abhinandan Jana, are you there in the class? Saisat, please don't raise your hand. Raise your hand. I'm telling you not to raise your hand. Your names are not coming. Hello. Can you listen to me? Hello. Raise your hand if you can listen to me. Yes, Arhat. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is very breaking.
Now it is okay?
And ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes.
page number 51, number 1A and number 1E, you do wrong answer.
I did wrong answer. Okay. Just okay. Just wait for a while. I am just checking it. Okay. Which one? Arhat, please. Can you unmute once more? Unmute.
Number 1A.
Oh, A is 3 group, 5 apples are there, 15, right? And there is 2 group, and in each group 6
Yes,
object are there. Now correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now your answer is correct.
Okay, okay, okay. Somehow I counted wrong. Okay. Please everyone copy this. This one is 3 into 5, 15, and this one is 2 into 6, 12. Okay. Next. Next, this page, I think all of you completed. So coming to this page. And here multiplication means what? Repetitive addition. Okay, repetitive addition. So 5 you need to write 3 times by giving addition, and you need to show it like 15. So like this way, 2 you need to write 2 you need to write 6 times, and here you need to write it. Here you need to write it like this way. Like this way, from B to H you need to complete. Here in my laptop some writing problems are there, that is why I can't write. Please, you can do it by yourself. 2 you need to write 6 times. Three you need to write 8 times. Okay. Eight you need to write 4 times. This is 7 plus 7, 14. Okay. This time is coming here. Okay. Now 6 you need to write 9 times. So going to the next. Here 3 to 6 means from multiplication table you need to remember. complete up to this. So your homework is 11 to 20. All the multiplication table you need to read and write on your classwork copy. 11 to 20, all multiplication table you need to read and write on your multiplication on your classwork copy. Okay. Okay. 6 of you raised your hand. Let me see why you have raised your hand. Ajit, you were present in the class. May most probably mark you absent. Just wait for a while. I will just update it. Okay, so class has been ended. So I'm just stopping the share. Okay, I hope everyone has done. Please show your copy in front of your camera. Please, everyone, turn on your camera and show your copy in front of your camera. Why, Prakriti, you have done it in the book? I told you in the copy. Every day you will do your classwork in the copy only. 11 to 20 table, all of you write and read and write on your school copy. But tomorrow means that on the next class I will check that. Okay.